Tokyo. Fast, crowded, alive at all hours. But in late winter, the city softens. Just before cherry blossom season begins, there's a quiet stillness in the air. Gray skies, bare trees, and moments of unexpected calm. On these cold February and early March days, we wandered through Tokyo at a slower pace, chasing silence, light, and a little bit of peace in one of the world's busiest cities. We started our day in Shinjuku, away from the nightlife and neon in the modern business area. The sun was out, but the air still had that winter chill. Early commuters moved quietly through wide sidewalks and glass towers, while the city stretched into its morning rhythm. Just a few minutes away, Yoyogi Park opened up like a breath of fresh air. In winter, the trees are bare, but the sense of peace remains. Next door, we walked through the giant torii gate into Meiji Shrine, a spiritual retreat dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. Surrounded by forest with only the sound of footsteps on gravel, it feels like stepping out of time, even in the middle of Tokyo. Not far from there, we stopped by the statue of Hachiko, the loyal dog who waited here every day for his owner, long after he had passed. His story is famous in Japan, and the statue has become a meeting point in the middle of Shibuya's chaos. But in a quiet moment, it's a reminder of love and patience, two things that often get lost in city life. Later that day, we visited the Pokémon Center, a blend of nostalgia and pop culture. Whether you're a lifelong fan or just curious, it's a charming little break from temples and towers. A moment to smile at familiar faces. We also had the pleasure to visit the Tokyo Tower, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Built in 1958 and inspired by the Eiffel Tower, it stands as a symbol of Japan's post-war renewal and quiet strength. From its observation deck, the city unfolds in every direction, vast, layered, and quietly alive beneath the winter sky. As the day turned to evening, we walked through Ginza, Tokyo's polished shopping district. Clean lines, glowing storefronts, and quiet streets. Not loud or flashy, just stylish, composed, and a little reflective, like the city itself. And then, on a different night, Tokyo surprised us. Snow began to fall, soft, slow, steady. Back in Shinjuku, the streets were quieter than usual. The snow muted everything. Neon lights blurred behind a veil of white, and the city that never stops paused. Tokyo has 1,000 stories, and not all of them shout. Sometimes, the quietest moments are the ones that stay with you. Thank you for joining us on this slow walk through winter in Tokyo. For more peaceful travel moments, explore the other videos linked below.